That isn't the car park where I parked my car. I think I might be lost. Good morning. Out for a little nature walk this morning. It's Easter Monday. Chilling out, taking it easy, just enjoying a little bit of nature for a change. You know, of course, with me exercising now and getting my backside in shape, I need to be keeping my steps up. So I come up here. This is actually within 10 to 12 minutes of where I live at, and I've never been here in my life, so I thought I'd come up today, bring the camera with me, take a little walk around it, perhaps take the drone up. I've only met 2 people since I got here. It's like 10:30, you know, it's early enough in the day, but yeah, it's a nice spot. There's little places I guess here that start to make me think about writing scripts and making movies and stuff. This is like a location I could do a heck of a lot with. Okay, that's a little bit worrying. That isn't the car park where I parked my car. I think I might be lost. Okay, I found the car. It's right there. The one with all the dirt on it. Guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Please hit that subscription button and don't forget to press that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Please get into the description box below this video and check out my social media links down there and check out all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.